Welcome to my kitchen. I'm Sensei Vegan. Thank you so much for joining me today. And we have something special, something epic that's going to go down. We have a showdown going down today against me and this rice that I foobarred the other day. Made some rice, totally foobarred this stuff, messed it up, didn't want to throw it out. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to see if I can rectify this situation and bring this back from the brink of total destruction, okay? So what I'm going to do today is make some resurrection fried rice, okay? So that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to see if I can use this rice here just to bring it back to life, put some new kick into it. So that is what's on the menu. So please come back. This is going to be fun. You know, we're just going to take and knock this out of the park. So please come back. Thank y'all for coming back. Thank y'all for coming back. Now let's get with these ingredients. Walk over here. Let's go. All right, here we go. All right, so first thing you're going to need, okay, I took and I roasted off some super sweet freak corn. That's what it is, some sweet corn and okra. I roasted it in my little broiler oven. We had some sweet, I always say sweet, like sweet stuff, right? We got some sweet mini peppers here. I'm gonna use some peanut oil. Use any oil you have, but I'm gonna use this peanut oil right here. And then of course, I have this brown rice that I made, this dish. You can use any type of rice you have. I always say, you know, for fried rice, you want the rice to be at least a day old. I think this is actually 2 days old. It has red onions. What else is in this thing? Red onions, some baby shiitake mushrooms, and some other various spices and stuff. That's really not important. You use any type of rice you want. So, the main point of this video is everything I cook does not always come out right. Now, there's a lot of things that I cook for the first time right on camera to show you guys how easy cooking is, but there's just certain times where things don't go right, and I don't want to put the message out there like everything I cook is always top-notch, because it's not. This stuff is wrecked, but I'm going to fix it, okay? I'm going to see if I can fix it. So let's get to crack-a-lack-a-lackin' over here. First thing we're going to do, we're going to heat up our pan, okay? Heat this pan up. Should have had it preheating while I was running my bait. All right, but I didn't. Okay? And also going to need a little bit of, you know what? No. I don't need any pepper. This stuff has some fire in it. This stuff is hot. I'm going to see if I can actually calm the heat down a little bit, because this stuff is really hot. I don't mind a little heat in the food, but when you're eating food and you're starting to have like hallucinations and, you know, sweating and all kind of crap, you need ice water and all that stuff to cool. No, you don't. That's, to me, that's not enjoyable. That's just painful. I don't like painful heat in my food. I don't mind a little bit of a punch, but I don't want to be you know, feel like your dang on tongue is going numb. Okay, so here we go. Heating this pan up. And I always tell people, when you turn the eye on, don't put your face down by the pan, because that gas gets trapped underneath there, and whoop, next thing you know, you come out with your hair caught on fire or your eyebrows singed off. Don't put your face by the pan, okay? The heat was already on when I looked under there. I just don't want to cook this stuff, okay? So what we're going to do, let's see. Okay, it's hot. Kids don't do that. We're going to put some oil in here. And you can make as much as you want. This is a very loose recipe. The main thing about this thing is I just want to see if I can bring this back, bring this rice back. So, coat your pan really good. First thing going in are these sweet peppers. Look at that. Okay, I'm going to get this stuff going around. Turn this light on here. We get a little extra light to make, you know, set the mood here. So we're just going to get this stuff going. Get it going. Okay? Yeah. Smells delicious. The sweet peppers. And you don't want to overcook the peppers, you know, because you still want them a little crunchy. You don't want a bunch of soggy stuff in here. Set that aside. Woo! Yeah! Okay. Now, since I roasted this super sweet freak cone, this super sweet cone, and this okra, this will probably be the last stuff to go in. Okay? Alright, these things are good here. Now, we're going to put some spoonfuls of this rice in here. Chop it up a little bit. Get it in. I'm going to turn this heat down a touch. Get it in there. Actually, I'm putting it all in there. It's all going in. Biggity bam, who's the man? Okay? Get this to the side. Look at that. Look at that. Throw this in now. Woo! Yeah! That's what I'm saying. Woo! Yeah! Woo! Yeah! I want to rock right now. I'm raw bass and I came to get down. Telling you. We're going to have to change that on the next verse. We're going to do another verse of that. Okay. Turn this heat back up. We are trying to resurrect this stuff, I'm telling you. But I think we did it. I think we did it. Okay, to finish this stuff off, I'm sorry I forgot one of the ingredients. I have some coconut aminos. This is like, to me, like soy sauce, but we're going to use this in here just to give it a little bit of flavor. Set that off to the side. Now get everything stirred in here really, really good. I'm making a mess. That's all right. I always tell people, if you're not making a mess, then you're not cooking. I'm telling you. Okay? Stuff is just about done. It smells delicious. I'm telling you. That is it. Set all that aside. Take this stuff, get it into our little serving. Had a little bit of stickage, but I don't care. Ta-da! 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 Oh, yeah! Here it is, everybody. This is the resurrected rice. I hope we saved it. When we come back, y'all know what time it is. So please come back. Thank y'all for coming back. And all y'all know what time it is. But for all you rookies, new jacks and noobs, it's taste test time. Taste test time. That's what time it is. Woo! Yeah! Woo! Yeah! I want to rock right now. I'm Sensei. I came to get down. I'm not internationally known, but I'm known to rock the microphone. Come on, y'all. Let's try this rice. Let's rock and freaking roll, baby. Spin this thing around. Yeah, let's go. Let's go. Not bad, but it's missing something. bit of salt. Let's see. Come on, baby. Don't let me down. Let's try it one more time. Come on. Come on. That is what we needed. We needed some salt to balance it out. I'm not big on salt, but we needed it today. Hey, I want to thank everyone for watching today. Remember, if you mess something up, don't be so quick to throw it out, especially rice. Toss that crap right in the freezer, refrigerator. Let it sit for a day or two. Come back, make some resurrection fried rice like I did. Again, sub to the channel. Thank y'all for coming out. Sensei Vegan. Thanking each and every one of y'all for joining me. Hello. Good night.